I'm very excited to introduce conversations. This is a new page type you can add to activities that allows you to assign speaking and writing practice that is interactive for students. In this video, we're going to first take a look at what the student experience is, and then we're going to take a look at how to set these pages up. So first, let's have a quick conversation here.
Hey, good to see you.
Hi, good to see you. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. What about you? How have you been?
I've been doing well myself.
That's good. I actually have to go meet someone else now. Talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
And now we can submit the conversation. And as always, Speakable will generate feedback and a score based on a rubric. Okay, so now that we've seen what the conversation looks like for students, let's take a look at how to set it up. There's really three main things to configure here when you're setting up a conversation page. The first is the student level. So you may have been wondering while you were watching that, hey, that was a super simple conversation. Are we able to do something that's more challenging for higher level students? And of course you are. You can choose your standard and choose a level up to the highest level of those standards, and the conversation will be tailored to that level. So you can add the level, set your topic, and then you can add goals for the student to achieve. Once you've added these things, you can assign this conversation and it should work pretty well. But if you'd like to tweak it further, there's a few things you can add here. One, student supports. So this adds a hint button that allows the student to get a hint on what to say next. Additional guidance is more context. This could be things like target vocabulary to use, further defining the roles of the AI and the student, certain classroom constraints, etc. And then if you'd like to, you can set a starting message. So these are super simple to set up. And if you don't have the time to create your own conversation activities, we've added pre-built examples into the Discover library. Simply choose the Conversations button here, and you'll be able to see pre-made examples from our team for your language.